Hello, this is Richard Wilson with the Family Office Club coming to you from Mayfair in the UK today. I wanted to record this short video on our capital raising audits. We've been doing these for many of our charter members in the Family Office Club, and they're a lot of fun for me to do, and I think it gives members a lot of unique value. Essentially, the capital raising audit is a submission of all of your marketing materials, thought leadership, anything you're using, including your website or social media profiles to raise capital, attract investors, or connect with family offices. By submitting that to us, we can review it and give you our perspective because we represent over 25 clients under contract who are worth $100 million or more. We have hosted over 90 conferences for people raising capital and family offices. We've featured and interviewed on stage or over the phone and recorded over 250 investors and family offices just over the last 2 years alone, asking them what they like to invest in, how they like to be reached, who gets their attention in the marketplace. And we've ran the Family Office Club. I started it 11 years ago, and I've developed it to attract investors to us consistently. So I can give you those perspectives and giving you feedback on what to change with your marketing materials, what to tweak, maybe what to add next. And we encourage charter members to be submitting their marketing materials every quarter through the capital raising audit form that you can find in the membership area when you log in as a member of the Family Office Club. So I just wanted to explain that real quick. I think a lot of people see capital raising audit as a benefit on the Family Office Club membership page, and they're not sure what that really means. And essentially, it's a full review quarterly of your marketing materials and your positioning in the marketplace to help you constantly tweak and iterate those so you can be as effective as possible with all the time that you spend on your investor relations and capital raising work. This is Richard Wilson from the Family Office Club. To learn more, please visit familyoffices.com.